Inseparable phrasal verbs. Master them with ease. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another exciting video on English language learning. Today, we're diving deep into the world of phrasal verbs, focusing on inseparable phrasal verbs. Our goal is to understand how they work, and then we'll get some hands-on practice with exercises. So, let's get started. Inseparable phrasal verbs are those that cannot be separated by their object. That is, the object must always come after the entire phrasal verb. For example, in the sentence, she looks after her little brother. Looks after is an inseparable phrasal verb. You can't say, she looks her little brother after. Before we get into the exercises, let's review some common examples of inseparable phrasal verbs. 1. Run into, to meet someone unexpectedly. 2. I ran into my old teacher at the supermarket. 3. Look after, to take care of someone or something. 4. Can you look after my cat this weekend? 5. Get over, to recover from something or someone. 6. He got over his illness. Remember, the object of these verbs cannot be placed in between the verb and the preposition. Now that we understand the concept of inseparable phrasal verbs and have seen some examples, let's move on to the practice exercises. 1. Fill in the blanks with an appropriate inseparable phrasal verb. A. She didn't expect to blank her old friend at the reunion. B. He needs to blank his fear of public speaking. 2. Choose the correct inseparable phrasal verb. A. Can you look after my dog while I'm on vacation? B. I ran into, got over, your brother at the mall yesterday. Remember to take your time. Rewind the video if you need to revisit any of the concepts or examples. That's it for today's lesson on inseparable phrasal verbs. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of how these verbs function and that the exercises have helped you practice your new knowledge. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll soon master these tricky but essential elements of English grammar. See you in the next video. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your destination. Happy learning!